Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video we're going to look at Scroll Stopper and Create Studio's latest update. Now you might be thinking, what is a Scroll Stopper? But we'll get into that in a minute, guys. Just let me introduce myself. I'm Jay, like I just said, and this is my channel where I upload videos showing you how to make money online using the power of video. And I also upload to different social medias, so it's not always like the same place. This channel it's not doing too bad. It's not yet monetized, so I have to make money with affiliate marketing. I do have other channels, but today we're just talking about this channel. Now, let's get into it, guys. Create Studio is one of the apps I talk about. It's this one here with a C, and let me just quickly show you. It says here, breathtaking animation never seems so simple. And they make like these Pixar looking characters, yeah? You don't need any design skills, guys, because they pretty much do everything for you. Every month, if you pay for the subscription one, they update it. They give you some new updates. Or you can buy them yourself. Ready-made templates, guys. You don't really need to do much thinking. Yeah, so they do promotional videos. They do like 3D explainer videos. We're not going to watch any of them, guys. Doodle sketch videos, stomp teasers, gorgeous character explainers, text animations, and a lot more, guys. Yeah, and they're great, guys. You can make these videos, or you can use the templates, modify, edit them a little bit, put the logos on that, and you can offer them to other businesses, guys, and sell them, make profit. Yeah, you can make them in square, landscape, or vertical. And these are the scroll stopping kind of videos, the ones what look like they're coming out of the screen, and you see they made them so it looks like it's a Facebook post. Yeah, so you think you're on Facebook, you're scrolling down, and then you see this video, but you think it's a post, but then these are coming at you. So it's called scroll stoppers because it stops you from scrolling. Yeah, because you want to see what's happening. Yeah, and they're quite good. But when you're inside this, you can change all this. You can take that heart off if you don't want. You can change this to like 1 like or 0 likes. You can put your business name there. You can put whatever you want, guys. You can edit it all, change the background, change these characters. So let's without further ado, let's watch the video, guys. Let's watch the latest video. Yeah. I like the doodle characters, yeah. Looking at all the doodle size, not just creating like normal videos, doing like these doodle things. So it's quite cool, right, guys? Doodle character videos. These are very popular. You sell videos like this to business. You also sell them on Fiverr. DT icons. You're gonna get all these like characters and text and whatnot, and the more new scroll stoppers, guys. Ah, look at this guy. Ah, straight down his throat. Yeah, guys. So that is it. But this is at the end of the video, guys. I'm going to jump into Create Studio now, and look, this is my account, yeah, and you get like characters, Instagram, Facebook, promotional, story, logo intros, YouTube, other local business, Facebook, and your scroll stoppers, guys. Now, these are some of the new, look at all these different templates you can use, guys, and you can use them to contact businesses, guys. This is what I do. This is what I do every month, every day, so to speak. And look, you just go on it like this, and it'll show you the video. You can change your text, put your video there. You can offer to this to like a doctor or something, like blood donate. You can change it. You don't have to do all this. You can put a different kind of business if you want. Now look at this one, guys. This is a new one. Travel the world. Quite cool, guys. Like this one, you can add it. You can advertise to a zoo. Put the zoo's logo on it, put the zoo's like description and that, so if you've got more than 50, change all this. And you can advertise. Then you can come down, what do they say, course explainers, offer them, do they need a sales video, YouTube website, or new website, sorry, plumbing video. This is quite funny. This was last month's. And he's texting there. As you already know. Look at all these poos. Yeah. So anyway, guys, you come across here, you can look at all these new ones. Like these are some scroll stoppers, but let's just look at the scroll stoppers, yeah, because these are the funny ones. Like these are the attention grabbers. Look. Imagine seeing that on your screen. You got these cool dudes. Like I said, guys, you can change the background, you can change the character, you can change the headline, you can change all of it pretty much. So you can contact barbers and that, hairdressers, builders, coffee house, a 3D kind of thing. I must admit, though, guys, I won't drink that. It looks a bit like gravy. But look at this. Here's the guy. Are you scared? Nah, don't be scared, guys. This is a cool one. What's this one? Get ready. Brought the glass, guys. And there's one for your hairdressers. This is quite a cool one. I like how it's going through the clouds, and then there you are to the adventure. More cool ones than that, yeah. And you've got all these guys. Look at all these different businesses and different companies you can advertise. This is a funny one. Yeah. So let's have a look at the price, guys. Yeah. But like I said, you don't just have these scroll stoppers. You've got your Facebook, you've got your local businesses, you've got your other, and you've got so many. But if you don't want to do that, guys, you can go in and you can just thing it. You can just make it start from scratch. It's got its own video editor inside it, guys. You don't need to use these templates, but they're already done for you. It makes life a lot easier. Now let's have a look at the pricing, guys. To get started, guys, for the standard Create Studio, it is $99 per year. Now you're probably thinking that's a lot. If I just have a look on the calculator, yeah, because my maths isn't a strong point. So 99 divided by 12 is £8.25, yeah? So $8.25. That's all it is a month, guys, yeah? But to get all these updates every single month, you're going to need the most popular one, which is, well, they reckon it's $299 a year, guys. That's quite a lot of money. But today, guys, I'm going to give you a discount. The discount is, instead of paying $99 a year, you just pay a one-off payment for $67 and you get it for lifetime, guys. Yeah? So that's a great saving of, well, $33 for the first year and then saving $99 every year since. And then you can make these guys. And then if we just jump back into Create Studio, if you look here, if you pay, I think it's $33 a month, you get all these extra stuff every single month. They're always updating it, guys. But if you don't want that, guys, you can buy them. Yeah? Look, 12 credits. 12 credits. You can buy these things, guys. And I think some of them go down in price as the older they are, I think. Could be wrong, guys. I might be wrong. Unless these are all... Oh, look. You get some free ones as well. Don't get me wrong. Some more free ones. Yeah. So look at business ones. So I don't know if... So you might get these free, guys. It doesn't say. Let's have a look at the characters. Yeah, it doesn't say the credits for these guys, so I'm not sure. But, guys, if you want to get it for if you get it for $67, you get a lot of the stuff free. And if you decide to take the upsell of I think it's $33 a month, I think, guys, I'm not really 100% sure about that, then you can get the all updates as well. But you don't need the updates if you only plan on using it a little bit, then you don't need the updates. You can just use what they've got because they give you a lot, guys. And it's definitely worth it, guys. If you want to check out some more of my videos, I've got last month's update here. I've got some more animation videos, review videos. Guys, I promote this all the time because it's a brilliant piece of software. It's 3D animation and the scroll stoppers are out of this world. Now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you like the look of it, which character, which scroll stopper did you like the look of the most, let us know, please. And thanks very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, guys, goodbye.